Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a little package here. I'm so excited. This is from LongHairPrettyNails. It's the patty gel. So excited for this. Look at that box. Super pretty. And then I also got the brush. I know we have a lot of polygel brushes, but I just had to get this one to go with the kit. So yeah, it just matches the packaging. We have the brush. This looks really good though. And then the spatula, of course. Alright, just got the box out of the way. So let's go ahead and open this. Let's see here. So we get three 30 ml tubes. Very nice. Got these nice little lids on there. This one is so cute, and I will swatch these too. Oh, look at that pink. Oh my goodness. It's got like little iridescent, like shimmer, little very, very fine glitters. Sweet Life. I love a clear too with glitter. I've seen other people's videos on this, so I already know what colors there are, but look at that. Oh, so pretty. Yeah, this is so exciting. I'm so happy for her. I've been watching her channel for a long time. And the last one we get is Amethyst. Oh, that's a pretty purple with glitter in it. Alright, so now we're gonna swatch. Alright, so I have my little swatch sticks labeled here. I'm gonna use the brush. I don't know why I was like, oh, I want to keep the brush, you know, nice and clean, but no, we're gonna use it. So we're gonna start with So Cute. And I'm also gonna do a set using these. Yeah, it's really easy to work with. It's not sticky, not too soft. It's like a very good consistency. Yeah, I don't know. It's not picking up the real pink color, but super pretty. So now we'll go into Sweet Life. Ooh, that's pretty. Get that how pretty. Oh my goodness. And then the last one is Amethyst. Ooh, that's pretty. Alright, so that's Amethyst. Super pretty. Alright, so these are the shades here. Super pretty. I don't know why this one looks so like it's really light, but it is a pink, very pretty pink. And then so very pretty, very excited to use these. So next I will be doing my set. Alright, so I already prepped my nails, but I'm just showing I used that Sally Hansen cuticle remover, and I just go around and push the cuticles back and remove any dead skin. And then I use this cuticle bit to go around and clean up the cuticle area, and then I'll go around with a sanding band to roughen up the nail surface and remove any shine. So now we're going to get into the nail set. So I will be doing the Lazy Girl method, and I'm just going to be placing some of these little round dot glitters that I got on Amazon. I'm going to be using like a pastel green. So I'm just going to be placing those on the pinky, middle, and thumb. I'm going to use some base coat and just apply that to the nail tip and then lay down the glitters. All right, so this is what the tips look like here with the little dots. So I do have these little bows that I think I got from AliExpress. They came in this big bag with all these pink colored charms. So I want to use this on the middle finger, but then I'm gonna take, I need to add some color to it, so I'm gonna take some of these green rhinestones and I'm gonna put one in the middle of that. I'm gonna put the glue, but oh, it's super cute with the green in there so it can match everything. And then I also wanted to try to do some little polka dots on it, and I don't really have many green polishes, but I have these two liner gels, so I was gonna try to mix them together and see if it'll make like that pastel green, and then just put tiny little dots on the bow. So we'll see if that works. That's pretty close. Just gonna put a tiny little drop of the rhinestone glue. And then super cute. Oh, I love it. Make sure it's sitting flat. Oh, that's so cute. Go ahead and cure it. I think that one up there is a little bit big. I'm probably gonna take that off. Yeah, I think it's too big. I'm just gonna take it off. Yeah, I love these little brushes from Shein. Super cute. Oh, I love it. I wanted to show too the little foils I'm going to use. They came from the Mickey and Minnie set that I have, but I'm going to use these little green and pink bows here. We're going to get started now. Placing my peel off base coat. I'm just gonna put a layer of that, and then you let it air dry, and then I'll be applying some base coat from Nail Couture. So I already did my pinky and my ring fingers, and I'm just gonna do the middle finger, and I'm just gonna place some of the pink So Cute poly gel. And let me just say that this poly gel was absolutely amazing to work with. It was so fast. Sometimes I struggle because some of the poly gels are too sticky or they're too soft. This was perfect. I mean, I laid it in there and it was just so easy to work with. No struggling, just amazing. So hopefully she comes out with more colors, because I mean, honestly, it is really good poly gel. The brush was okay. I noticed it's not very stiff. It separates quite a bit. I mean, I was still able to work with it and everything, but I think for some cases you might want a stiffer brush. But I mean, it was still good, but the poly gel is, oh, it's just amazing. Absolutely love it. I applied all the polygel nails and I went ahead and cured my whole hand for 60 seconds. And now I'm just going in with 2 different cuticle bits, and I'm just going to go around and clean around the cuticles, and a little bit did seep out of some of them. No big deal though. I just went in and used the cuticle bit. Now the nails are all filed and buffed. I'm going to apply some base coat gel. This one's from Tammy Taylor to all the nails, and then I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. And now apply some top coat. This one's from Nail Couture. Apply that to all the nails and then cure that for 60 seconds. Going in with some McCart nail foil glue, I'm going to apply the little bow nail foils. I used to not like doing nail foils, but now that I've learned to cure the foil glue for 60 seconds, and then when it comes out of the light, let the nails set for at least 30 seconds, like 30 to 40 seconds, and then the nail foil goes on great. I didn't have anything sticking or lifting, so yeah, now I really like to do foils. So now I'm taking these light green rhinestones. I got this pack on, I think on Amazon. And I'm just going to be putting some of the McCart rhinestone glue. And I'm just applying 3 green rhinestones right at the cuticle of my ring and pointer finger. And then I'll also be going in on the middle finger and placing the little bow that we added the rhinestone and the dots to. This is the finished look here. I love the way they came out. I love pink and green together. I'll definitely be doing another set using the purple and the clear glitter polygel. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.